Surrogate modeling is another interesting way of combining neural networks with evolutionary optimization. The starting point is that there's now a lot of data about real-world decision making, and we can use that data to build predictive models about what will happen in the future if we make certain decisions in certain situations. But we can do more than that. We can use such a predictive model as a surrogate for the real world and let evolution optimize the decision-making strategies. Each strategy is evaluated not in the real world, but against the surrogate. And in this way, we can evaluate millions of decision strategies before we ever deploy them in the real world, where it might be dangerous or costly to do so. Now, we can apply this approach to many different problems, including designing growth recipes for agriculture, optimizing allocations of marketing dollars to different channels, discovering engineering designs that humans may have overlooked. And we've even used it to recommend non-pharmaceutical interventions in the COVID-19 pandemic. So there are many opportunities for this kind of optimization in the real world, and now we have the tools to make it happen.